Hey everyone, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on how to make money on YouTube without making videos and the 4 secret steps Google Ads does not talk about. Now, if you're running a business online, whether it's an affiliate business or whether or not you're working with Shopify or eBay or Amazon or just advertising online with your business, this is a must if you want to start saving money and putting more black into your bottom line. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 secret steps that Google Ads does not want you to know. And as a previous business owner in Vancouver with a real estate company and also online with Shopify and doing a little bit of dabbling in Amazon and on eBay, boy, there was a lot of sleepless nights with not knowing how I was going to pay for the ads that come as a big spring and surprise. When you get the email at the bottom right hand corner, it says you owe $400 or $500 on ads, and you go, it's just like going to the casino when you get all these chips and you're playing, and next thing you know, you've lost all your money and it doesn't even feel like you've even played. So, I mean, that happened within real estate in Vancouver, where probably 40% of our budget was on ads. And then Shopify, where probably everything I made went back into ads. Now, this video is about not that. This video is about how you can actually alleviate your ad costs and actually be on the front page in the first couple of rankings to the #1 search engine in the world and also the #2 search engine in the world, and do it all organically or free. Now, I'm going to go over each of these secrets or each of these steps, and I'm going to show you how I actually blast these myths with examples. Then I'm going to actually, in a moment, share with you a link of how you can take advantage of this program that has been nothing short of extraordinary, because no one likes losing money. I mean, you go into it with a sake of actually changing your lifestyle or changing your profession, and the only thing you did was come up with no change in your pocket. It's pretty gross, and only 1% of online businesses actually make it. And the #1 reason is not being able to attract buyers, like bona fide buyers and traffic, and ad costs. And this is going to directly affect both. Now, you can actually, once again, use it for your business, your existing business that you have on the street, like with Street Access, or you can use it with the affiliate side that Paul has here, which is very effective, or you can use it for your online business or your with Shopify or Amazon or eBay. Anyway, this program, this process has nothing to do with the product. It has everything to do with the process, and the process is extremely powerful. So make money on YouTube without making videos. 4 secret steps Google Ads does not talk about. Now let's get into #1, and that is you need a lot of subscribers. Then #2 is you need a lot of views. And 3, it takes a long time to rank organically on Google's first page. I mean, it could take 3 to 6 months if you're lucky, or unless you want to pay for it. And #4, it's costly to run ads. Well, the #1 I'm going to talk about here is you need a lot of subscribers. Well, as I did this video, it's my YouTube channel is called Affiliate Tube Success Reviews. I've got 17 subscribers. Okay, so that's the first fallacy that Google Ads does not want you to know about. #2, you need a lot of views. Well, if you look over here and see what's happening here, I've got 2 views, and I'm #1 on the Google search. Not only am I #1 on the Google search, I'm also on YouTube. I'm also #1 on the Google search for videos, and also first in the carousel. So it's a fallacy. You don't need a lot of views. #3, and that is it takes a long time to rank organically on Google's first page. No, this is a free ad. It's organically posted. I've got the first page of YouTube, the first page of Google, and the first on the Google carousel here. And as you can see here, this was done in like 2 minutes. No reviews. this is the same ad. This was done in 3 minutes. So what happens is with YouTube and Google are the same parent company. So when I put an ad onto YouTube, it could take an extra 1 or 2 or 5 minutes to migrate over to Google. But as you can see here, when you do my niche search, blah, 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 when you do the all, I'm number 1 in the carousel. When you go to the next one, which is video, I'm number 1 in the videos. And when you look at YouTube, I'm number 1 in YouTube. Can you see how cool that'd be for your business? I mean, it'd be crazy. It's costly to run ads. The number 4th secret. See all these thumbnails? I didn't pay for one of these thumbnails, and I've ranked literally number 1 across the board with my niche. This is the Google billboard or carousel. I've got on my niche. I've got that completely sewn up. When you actually look at my niche and Google it, you'll see my mugshot is on the first page. Once again, I'm on the first page of the carousel. You can see here with YouTube, I basically have put a stranglehold on the whole first page. The first 20 rankings are mine, and it just goes on and on and on. Now, the purpose of me showing you this is that this is not a one-off spin. This is something that is incredibly, it happens constantly. It is not a one-off. I mean, in fact, what happens is if my videos don't rank in the first 10 minutes, I get a little cranky. So the consistency is amazing. So with the link I'm going to put in the description box and also on the screen, you're going to come across this as a very first photo, and it's Weird Loophole Gets Unlimited Free Google Ads. This guy's name is Paul Murphy. He's amazing. He's actually cracked the code with Google. So once again, you can rank immediately. We'll back it up. He talks about the 24-hour ranking system. Well, you know what? He's being pretty conservative because I've shown you from this is a couple of examples. I ranked number 1 in Google, YouTube, and the YouTube carousel within 2 minutes. Another one was in 6 minutes. Another one's in 4 minutes. So the 24-hour ranking system, if you look at his steps and do his steps exactly what he says, you don't have to recreate the wheel. And I'm not going to say this is the end-all magic wand of doing things and forever living happily ever after. You're going to have to put some work into it. You're going to have to make 8 or 10 videos. And to be quite honest, the first video is going to be a little challenging. But you don't have to put your face in front of the camera. That is a fallacy. 99% of the videos that go on YouTube have the people behind the camera, not in front of the camera. So you're going to have to make some videos. The first ones are pretty primitive. I always suggest save them and look back in 2 or 3 months, and there's some baby steps. My first couple of videos were like, okay, ready, 1, 2, okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, okay. And it literally was that bad. It was pretty nasty. And as you go along to video number 4, number 5, the videos that are 3 and 4 and 5 minutes, take about 15 or 20 minutes. So you can make 10 videos in probably 10 or 12 hours. And that's really all you need to actually rank number 1 on Google, rank number 1 on YouTube, and rank number 1 on the Google carousel for free. And never have to worry about Google ads again. Never have to think that every part of your business revolves around ads. It doesn't. Anyways, I'm a little off topic, and I'm going to show you the link that you can actually take advantage of Paul Murphy's course and walk you through what happens with the link. So when you press the link that I provided in this video, you're going to come to a page, and it's going to allow you to enroll into a 90-minute training call with Mike and Paul Murphy, and it's a great value. And what you do is hit the register for this free event, and it could take a moment just to make sure that there's availability. And then all you do is put the date, your time zone, your first name, and your email. Register now, and it's going to enroll you in probably the most effective 90 minutes for your online business that you're going to see to improve your traffic flow and reduce your ad costs. Well, I hope you found this video interesting and informative today and can relieve some of the pressures that goes along with running a business. And once again, probably the two major things that cause a lot of grief is cost of ads, which is extraordinary, and also generating and creating new buyers. And I firmly believe from what Paul Murphy's been talking about and my examples of following his 5-step process, which is a 24-hour ranking system, it's a powerful system that I invite you to take a look at and see if it makes sense in the next couple of days, and you be the judge and see if it would make sense for your business or not. Now, I'm also once again going to put the link on the screen and in the description box, just in case you're grabbing for a pen or a pencil and didn't have it in time. So I'll leave it on for enough time so you can actually take a look at it, and also in the description box so you can take a look at it and have access to what Paul has to offer. Now, in the meantime, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you don't have to miss another one of my videos, and also leave a comment below. And hopefully we will see you in the next video. You have yourself an awesome day.